Let's pack today's lunchbox from our friends and followers. Before anybody says anything, yes, I'm back at it again with the big papa potatoes. This time, I'm gonna make them into a big papa birria. You already know the drill. You have to stab, season, wrap your potatoes, and then you pop them in the oven until they're soft, which takes about a year. For the birria, I'm gonna use tri-tip, not what we usually use for birria, but my dad has my freezer packed with tri-tip and I need to get rid of it. For the birria sauce, I am gonna use a pre-made birria sauce because I just wanted to see if it worked. Put it in the pressure cooker with some onion, garlic, bay leaves, and nor. I'm gonna be honest, I like my birria red and this one wasn't as red, but the flavor was there. Maybe I just needed to use more sauce. But anyways, we're gonna skim the fat, put it to the side because we're gonna use that. And we open up the potatoes, season it up because ain't nobody here likes some bland potatoes. I add some of the skimmed birria fat, put it on my comal until it got nice and crispy, put some cheese so it can get nice and melted. I added the birria meat, ladle some of the consomme on top of the birria meat, added some more cheese, cebolla and cilantro so they can have a nice stinky breath, a little bit of sour cream, some chili oil, guacamole, and some crack sauce. Can't forget about that foik. Now for their drink, they had the option between a soda or a strawberry blueberry spa water with some strawberry popping boba. We're just gonna say it with our chest once. It is called an agua fresca. I'm just gonna hurry my ass up, get everything ready for them, including the agua fresca so they can come pick up during lunchtime. Bye!
Stocking my fridge with drinks.
Nailed. Let's pack today's lunchbox from our friends and followers. We're gonna make them a pasta dish, guys, using this cute looking pasta. First, we're gonna begin by butterflying some breastises, and then we're gonna pound them until they're flat. Also gonna season them up because ain't nobody here likes some bland chicken. Now add a couple slices of some Swiss cheese, a couple slices of turkey ham, and then we're gonna roll them up. Make sure we secure them with some bacon strips. We're taking them to a pan and then searing them on both sides to make sure that the bacon gets nice and crispy. I finish them off in the air fryer until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. For the pasta sauce, I'm going to char some chile poblanos and then I peel it with my hand because ain't nobody here scared of no chile, let me tell you. Then I put everything into the blender along with some cream cheese, black peppercorns, mini garlic, snor, and then everything else that I'm going to list on the screen. Meanwhile, in a pan, you're going to add some butter and then you're going to saute some garlic. Make sure you don't burn like me. Add your sauce, your cheese of choice. In my case, I'm going to use Chihuahua cheese. I cooked the pasta and once it was cooked, I mixed it with the sauce. I let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes before going in there and start slicing up everything. Juices going everywhere and then you need Vaseline to swallow your chicken. So it's finally time to start packing the boxes and I'm just gonna make a bed of the pasta and then I'm gonna add the chicken on top and that's it, guys. No side salad, no bread, no nothing. But for their drink, they had the option between a soda or a passion fruit lemonade that I'm also gonna add some passion fruit popping boba and then some sparkling lemonade on top. So it kind of feels like a soda agua fresca type of thing. That is it, guys. And I'm just gonna get everything ready for them, including their drinks so they can come pick up during lunchtime. Bye!
Prepping one of my favorite meals. E-cake.
Packing lunch for my husband because your girl is leaving. Yes, again. So every time I have some type of business trip, I like to meal prep for my husband and my kids. Whether my husband knows how to cook or not, Karen, this is what I enjoy doing, okay? Was running out of time this day, so I decided to do super simple meals. I thinly sliced some chicken, sauteed it in a little bit of oil, seasoned it up with garlic, onion, pepper, paprika, and then some mushroom salt. Once the chicken has cooked, I'm gonna drizzle it with a little bit of sesame teriyaki sauce, or you can do orange chicken, I don't know, whatever sauce you wanna do. This happens to be my family's fave, so that's what I'm using. While I was grocery shopping for this trip, I came across these chow mein noodles that come with lots of vegetables. So, you know, here's where the greens come in. I took all those mother truckers out, gave them a quick little saute with a little bit of oil, got everything nice and crispy, and then I put it in a little bowl for him. And he just do that himself. I'm sure he can. I mean, he's not broken, but I like to do it for him. I do a variety of lunches. He just doesn't eat this thing the whole time I'm gone. This one was just the one I happened to record. There you have it, guys. Bye. This, my friend, is the Tandoori dumplings. Ooh. I don't know what this is, but it looks spicy. Mmm.
Can I see your school bus?
Fuck, these are so freaking bomb. How to say? Oh my gosh, you really have to try them. It's a little spicy, but try it.
A little bit.
Just bite it.
Show what thing.
It's chicken. Do you like it? It's bomb, huh? Josiah, you need to try these for real. Try them. It's bomb, huh? Is it?
It's alright.
Nah, that means it's bomb. Alright guys, so as you might guess, stuffing is probably one of my favorite things to do. I mean, make. So we're gonna make today a chorizo and cornbread stuffing. I make my own chorizo, you know, because I like that meaty kind. Not that greasy stuff that's sold in the bar. We're gonna begin by browning up that chorizo. Once it's cooked, we're gonna remove it from the pan, leaving all those nice juices on the pan so we can saute the garlic, onion, carrots, and celery. For the seasoning, you're either gonna do all-purpose or poultry or both. Honestly, nobody cares. That is smoky salt, guys. I only use it because I have it, but regular salt works. We're gonna combine everything together, and for the cornbread, I was planning on using like freshly baked cornbread, but I ate it. Actually, I refused to take the blame all by myself because a husband helped me eat it too. And that's why we went to the store and we just bought regular cornbread crumbs. And we combine everything together along with the chicken broth, 2 blue eggs, butter up our ramekin, and then we pour everything in there, put a little bit of butter on top, and then we pop it into the oven. 10 out of 10 recommend for you to get some oven gloves or something when you're getting your shit out, because I almost got a heart attack when I almost dropped it. Topped it off with a little bit of cilantro for garnish, and there you have it, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Bye! Now, I know everyone is tired of eating Thanksgiving leftovers, but I'm going to show you guys what to do to get rid of the last of those mother triggers. To my bowl, I'm going to add my leftover turkey, leftover mashed potatoes, and a little bit of cheese because we like our stuff nice and cheesy. Using some plastic wrap, I'm going to help myself to make my stuffing into like a flat disc. And I make another disc on top of that one with the potato, turkey mixture, add more cheese, and then I form that into a ball. But we are not done here. Now, if you have some leftover macaroni and cheese, you're gonna make another flat disc using some saran wrap. Then you put that stuffing ball inside and then you cover it with the macaroni and cheese. And you guessed it, you're still not done. You're gonna coat it in some flour, egg, and panko. And if you have some extra hands in the house, make them useful and make them help you. Then I drop it into my air fryer, let it get nice and crispy on all sides. Then I split in half, that way it doesn't roll all over the places and then you can see the inside. Then on one side, I'm gonna make a little embarradita with my cranberry and habanero sauce, and on the other side with the gravy. Put my balls on top of my sauce. Then I add a little bit of greenery, and there you have it, guys. Thanksgiving leftover balls. Hope you like this recipe. Bye!
Hey, 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 hey.
Dale gas,
Hey,